there is something common between you and me, my friend, and that is whenever we share any of our creation, any of our content, be it a video content or it may be a article or a post that we have written, or maybe a quote or a pictorial message that we have shared with the world with the social media, we tend to have likes, reactions. Reaction is in the form of likes, in the form of comments, the people where people are sharing their opinions. So we love that, and it kind of gives us some amount of satisfaction that whatever work we have done, people are trying to acknowledge it, and people have either loved it or they are like trying to criticize it. So we get either of these reactions. However, the question really is how to get your video likes or maybe your content liked. So I'm going to talk about 3 ways using which we all can get the maximum attention of the audience. We all can make sure that our message through video or any form of content would reach to the maximum audience. So the number one thing is, which is the most important step, is to have a content strategy. Let's suppose in this case we need to have a video strategy. So if we are making a video and sharing our message, maybe we are sharing a story. So the number one strategy is to have and adopt a 3S message. The 3S system is, you need to have a setup, you need to have a struggle in the story, whatever you have learned through those struggles, and then you need to have a solution. You had a struggle in your life, you found a solution, and then you are sharing that with the world. You're sharing that with the social media using your videos. Now the chances are very high that that video will be liked by most of the people, because you're sharing something which is very close to your heart, that is coming out of your real experience, and most of the people who will believe in what you believed, what you have learned, or who have gone through the similar kind of experience will be able to relate to it, will be able to connect to your content, and they will definitely react to your video. So one of the content strategy method is a 3S method, which Praveen has also talked about in his teachable course. The second method of a content creation or video creation is the AIDA method, which is grabbing the attention of the audience, I for interest, making sure that it interests the audience, D for desire, making sure that your content is arousing the desire of the audience, and then last one is the attention, which you may call it as a call to action. What are the actions that you are actually giving to the audience? What are the key takeaways from your webinar, from your video, from your content, which audience will take it as an action, and they will get benefited. So this strategy will take some time to discuss about. I will move on to discuss the second important strategy to get your videos liked. So I remember when I joined LinkedIn, I started my journey in early 2019. I posted one post. So I remember I grew a few vegetables on my rooftop. So I took the pictures of those vegetables and I posted on LinkedIn that everybody eats but nobody produces. I remember I waited, probably I kept checking my phones for the reactions of the people, but not even a single like came on my post. So at that time I was thinking to myself that why nobody is reacting to my post. I have done so much of effort in growing these vegetables, and it is so close to my heart, and I have posted this post on LinkedIn, but nobody is reacting. But I had no idea, no experience at that time as to what is the content strategy, how to basically share your content to make sure that it reaches to the maximum audience and people would like it. Though my efforts were there, it was absolutely from my heart, because content is really what you pour as a heart. I mean, what where you pour your heart out. So that exactly is the content. So there was no problem in that. It was absolutely from my heart, but I did not get the likes. Then I realized that I did not have many connections as well, and the people didn't know me. So one of the very important strategy is to have a social media credibility. Social media credibility is something that you will not gain overnight. And when people will start realizing that you're someone who is sharing the content and good content on a consistent basis, then people will start taking interest in you, because they will believe that you're someone who's serious, you're consistent, and you're massively adding the value to the people. And people will start following you, and they will not only follow you, they will comment, they will like, and they will love your creation. So over a period of time, what I've realized that consistency is one of the most important element of creating your social media credibility. And as a result of creating your social media credibility, you will have more likes, reactions, and comments, value add from the people as well. So this was the second thing that I wanted to share. Last one that I want to share with you quickly, how to get your video likes, is to obviously contribute to other people, give the feedback to other people, because the more you contribute to other people, the more other people will be interested in you to contribute to you, because to give is to get. I hope you loved this video. If you have any feedback, please do drop in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Have a fantastic day.